Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve some KCET previous year questions on the chapter continuity and differentiability. So any doubts if you have in any steps, then please write that in the comment section, or in any other chapter of maths. If you have more difficulty, then please mention the name of that chapter also in the comment section. Um, so that we can give more priority on it and solve more and more questions on that chapter. Also, some important homework questions will be uploaded in the Sapience Education application. So please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. So here in the first question, it is told that if the function f of x equals to 1 minus cos x by x, where x is not equal to 0, and that is equal to k, if x is equal to 0, if that is continuous at x equal to 0, then k equals to how much? So now therefore we have to, so if the rule is that if limit extends to a f of x, that is equal to f of a, then the function f of x is said to be continuous at x equal to a. Function f of x is said to be continuous at x equal to a. So therefore here limit extends to 0 f of x, that will be how much? So that will be limit extends to 0 1 minus cos x by x. So this can be written as limit extends to 0, that will be equal to 1 minus cos x is 2 sine square x by 2, and this x I can write it as x, or this I can write x square by 4, and this is 4 by x I can write. So this will be limit extends to 0, I can write sine x by 2 divided by x by 2 whole square into limit extends to 0 2x by 4, so which is x by 2. So this will be equal to 1 and this will be equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. So option 1 is the correct answer. So then here it is told that if y equal to tan inverse of sec x minus tan x, then dy by dx is how much? So then dy by dx, that will be equal to d by dx of tan inverse of sec x minus tan x. So this will be equal to 1 by 1 plus sec x minus tan x whole square. Then into this will be d by dx of sec x minus tan x. D by dx of into d by dx of sec x minus tan x, which will be, so this I can write 1 by 1 plus, this is sec square x plus tan square x minus 2 sec x tan x, and this will be equal to, into this will be sec x tan x minus secant square x. So this will be equal to, from here sec x I can take as common, so sec x into tan x minus sec x divided by 1 plus tan square x, that is sec square x. So this will be 2 sec square x minus 2 sec x tan x. So this will be equal to, so sec x into tan x minus sec x divided by 2 sec x I can take as common, and this will be sec x minus tan x. So sec x will cancel, so this will be equal to minus 1 by 2. Since if we cancel these two, then we will get minus 1. So this is minus half. So option 4 is the correct answer. Then it is told the differential coefficient of f of sine x, where f of x is equal to log x. So f of x is log x. So therefore f of sine x, that will be equal to log of sine x. So now we have to find the differential coefficient of f of sine x with respect to x. So therefore we have to find d by dx of f of sine x. So that will be equal to d by dx of log of sine x. So this will be equal to 1 by sine x into d by dx of sine x will be equal to cos x. So this will be equal to cot x. So option 2 is the correct answer. Then here it is told that we have to find dy by dx. We have to find that if x is equal to a into t minus 1 by t and y equals to a into t plus 1 by t, where a is a constant. So dy by dx can be written as dy by dt. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So first we need to find dx by dt, which will be equal to a into 1 minus of minus 1 by t square. So this is 1 by 1 plus t square. And dy by dt, that will be equal to a into 1 minus 1 by t square. Okay. So dy by dx will be equal to dy by dt, which will be a into 1 minus 1 by t square divided by dx by dt, which will be a into 1 plus 1 by t square. So they will cancel out. So this we can write it as, so if we multiply with t on, if we multiply and divide by t, then we will get t minus 1 by t, t plus 1 by t. And we can multiply with a also. So a into t plus t minus 1 by t, which is x by, will be y. So x by y. So dy by dx is equal to x by y. So option 3 is the correct answer. Now, in this question, it is told that x equals to a cos 4t plus b sine 4t. Then we need to find d square x by dt square. Now, so d square x by dt square means it is d by dt of dx by dt. So first we need to find dx by dt. So that will be minus a sine 4t into 4. So minus 4a sine 4t. Then plus this will be plus 4b cos 4t. Then so d square x by dt square, that will be d by dt of this, it will be d by dt of minus 4a sine 4t plus 4b cos 4t. So this will be equal to, this will be minus 16a cos 4t. Then this will be minus 16b sine 4t. So this we can write, this will be minus 16 into a cos 4t plus b sine 4t. So this is equal to minus 16x. So d square x by dt square is minus 16x. So option 1 is the correct answer. So then here it is told y equals to e power x plus e power minus x divided by e power x minus e power minus x. So which is nothing but this is, cot hyperbolic x, cot hyperbolic function. So this is called as a hyperbolic function, cot hyperbolic x. And so we know that cot hyperbolic x, that is equal to cos hyperbolic x divided by sine hyperbolic x. So cos hyperbolic x, that is equal to e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2, and sine hyperbolic x, that is equal to e power x minus e power minus x divided by 2. So therefore now cosec hyperbolic x that is equal to 1 by sine hyperbolic x. So that is equal to 2 by e power x minus e power minus x. Similarly, sec hyperbolic x that is equal to 1 by cos hyperbolic x that is equal to 1 by e power x plus e power minus x. Similarly, tan hyperbolic x that is the reciprocal of cot hyperbolic x, which is e power x minus e power minus x divided by e power x plus e power minus x. So now therefore dy by dx that we have to find. So therefore now d by dx of y, which is e power x plus e power minus x divided by e power x minus e power minus x. So this will be equal to e power x plus e power minus, sorry, we have to apply the quotient rule of differentiation. So e power x minus e power minus x into d by dx of this, which is e power x minus e power minus x, then minus this will be e power x plus e power minus x into the derivative of e power x minus e power minus x, which is e power x plus e power minus x, divided by e power x minus e power minus x whole square. So this will be equal to e power x minus e power minus x whole square minus e power x plus e power minus x whole square divided by e power x minus e power minus x whole square, which will be equal to 1 minus e power x plus e power minus x by, okay, or simply we can write it as this is minus a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. So minus 4 e power x into e power minus x divided by e power x minus e power minus x whole square. So these two will cancel since this will be equal to 1. So this I can write minus of 2 by e power x minus e power minus x whole square, which is nothing but minus cosec hyperbolic x whole square, means minus cosec hyperbolic square x. So therefore option 2 is the correct answer. No, sorry. Option 4 is the correct answer. The fourth option. So simply it says that d by dx of cot hyperbolic x, which has been given in the question, that is nothing but minus cosec hyperbolic square x. So now in this question it is told that we have to find if the function f of x is given as sine 5x by x into x plus 2, where x is not equal to 0 and it is k plus 1 by 2. One second. Okay, so k plus half when x is equal to 0. That means that it is continuous at x equal to 0. It means f of 0 that is equal to k plus half, that should be equal to limit x tends to 0 f of x, which is equal to limit x tends to 0 sine 5x by x into x plus 2. So this we can write it as limit x tends to 0 sine 5x by 5x into, I can write 5 by x plus 2. So this will be equal to 1. So 1 into 5 by, here I can put 0. So 1 into 5 by 2, which is equal to 5 by 2. So k should be equal to 5 by 2 minus half, which is equal to 4 by 2, which is 2. So option 3 is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find dy by dx. Tan inverse of this is given. Now here this y can be written as tan inverse of if we divide the numerator and the denominator with 1 plus root over 1 plus x square, then we will get that y is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus root over 1 plus 1 minus x square by root over 1 plus x square divided by, this will be 1 plus root over 1 minus x square by root over 1 plus x square. Then dy by dx is equal to how much? So therefore, if we take if you take 1 minus root over 1 minus x square by root over 1 plus x square as tan theta, then we will get, then theta will be equal to tan inverse of root over 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So this can be written as then y equal to tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus theta. Since y, this can be written as tan pi by 4 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. By 4, okay. So this can be written as pi by 4 minus theta. So therefore dy by dx, that will be equal to minus d theta by dx. Now minus d theta by dx, we have to find d theta by dx first. So therefore now d theta by dx, that will be equal to d by dx of root over 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Sorry, tan inverse of this. D by dx of tan inverse root over 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. This we have to find. So this will be equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Since we have to take the square of this, then into d by dx of root over 1 minus x square by root over 1 plus x square. Okay. So this will be equal to 1 by 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x square into d by dx of this. So this will be root over 1 plus x square into d by dx of root over 1 minus x square minus root over 1 minus x square into d by dx of root over 1 plus x square by dx of root over 1 plus x square. Okay, this divided by root over 1 plus x square whole square. So these two will get cancelled obviously, and these two also will get cancelled, and this will be root over 1 plus x square, this will be by 2 into root over 1 minus x square into this will be minus 2x, then minus root over 1 minus x square divided by 2 into root over 1 plus x square into 2x. Okay, then this into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is there here. So this will be equal to minus 2x, I can take as common, minus 2x by 2 into this will be 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x square, plus 1 minus x square by root over 1 minus x square into root over 1 plus x square. Since if you take the LCM of these two, we will get 2 okay, then we will get 2 into root over 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square. Okay, so we can cancel these two actually. So then only this by 2 is there. So this will be now, these two will again cancel. So this will be minus x by 2 into 2 by root over a plus b into a minus b, which is 1 minus x power 4. So this is minus x by root over 1 minus x power 4, x power 4. So now d theta by dx is minus x by root over 1 minus x power 4. So this is minus of minus x by root over 1 minus x power 4. So this will be x by root over 1 minus x power 4. So this is dy by dx. So it means that option 4 is the correct option. Then here it is told that if x equal to sine t and y equal to cos pt, then we have to find which relation is true among y, y1 and y2. So y is this, y is cos pt, and y1 means dy by dx. So that is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So this will be equal to, now dy by dt, that is minus p sine pt, and dx by dt is cos t. And y2 means it is d square y by dx square. So which is d by dx of dy by dx. Or we can say this will be equal to d by dt of dy by dx divided by d by dt dx by dt. Okay, so this will be d by dt of this y1 means d by dt of y1 divided by dx by dt. So d by dt of y1, that will be minus, I can write minus p into, this will be cos t into p cos pt, then minus sin pt into d by dt of cos t, which is minus sin t. So it will be plus sin t divided by cos square t. So this divided by dx by dt, which is cos t. So therefore now 1 minus x square, that is how much? 1 minus x square means 1 minus sin square t, which will be cos square t. Okay. So therefore 1 minus x square into y1, y2, so that will be equal to cos square t into y2. That will be, so this will be cos square t into y2, which is y2, which is minus p cos t into p cos pt, then minus p sin pt into sin t divided by, this is cos square t by cos t, so this is cos cube t. So this will be equal to, this will be minus p square cos pt, and this will be minus p sin pt into tan t, since y sin t by cos t is tan t. Okay. So this is coming as 1 minus x square into y2, and then now p square p square y will be p square cos pt, and x into y1, that will be equal to sin t into y1, that is minus p sin pt by cos t, minus p sin pt by cos t, minus p sin pt by cos t. So this will be equal to, so this will be minus p sin pt into tan t. Therefore 1 minus x square into y2 plus xy1 plus, okay, so now if we do x square, 1 minus x square into y2, then minus xy1 and plus p square y, then we will get this will be minus p square cos pt, then minus p sine pt into cos into tan t, minus p sine pt into tan t. This is coming 1 minus x square into y2, and minus xy1, that will be plus p sine pt into tan t, and plus p square y, that is plus p square cos pt. So then we see that all will get cancelled and that will become equal to 0. So therefore option 4 is the correct answer. Then here it is told that if a and b are fixed non-zero constants, if a and b are fixed non-zero constants, then the derivative of means d by dx of a by x power 4 minus b by x square plus cos x, that is equals to ma, that is equal to ma plus nb minus p. So then m, n and p are what that we have to find. So they are non-zero constants a and b. So that will be equal to minus 4a by x power 5, and then this will be plus 2b by x power 3, then this will be minus sin x. So therefore m is equal to minus 4 by x power 5, and n is equal to 2 by x cube, and p is equal to sin x. P is equal to sin x, and n is equal to 2 by x cube, and m equal to minus 4 by x power 5. So option B is the correct answer. Then it is told that at x equal to 1, the function f of x equals to x cube minus 1 when x is greater than 1, and it is x minus 1 when x is less than or equal to 1. Then we have to find if the function at x equal to 1 is it continuous and differentiable or not. So now therefore limit x tends to 1 f of x, that will be how much? So we have to find the left hand limit first and then the right hand limit. So 1 minus, so that will be limit h tends to 0 f of 1 minus h less than, slightly less than 1. So this will be limit h tends to 0 1 minus h minus 1. So if we put h equal to 0, then that will be 0. And so this is the left hand limit, and then the right hand limit, that will be equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x, which will be equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h. So that will be limit h tends to 0. And when the function, when x is slightly more than 1, then we have to use the first function, which is x cube minus 1. So this will be 1 plus h whole cube minus 1. So if we put h equal to 0, this will be also 0. And f of 1, that is also equal to 1 minus 1, which is 0. So therefore limit x tends to 1 is f of x, that is also equal to 0, and f of 1 is also equal to 0. So therefore the function f of x is continuous at x equal to 1. Is continuous at x equal to 1. So then we have to so then we have to find that if the function is differentiable or not at x equal to 1. So now the left hand derivative, that is f dash 1, lf dash 1, that is left hand derivative of the function at x equal to 1. So that will be limit h tends to 0 f of 1 minus f of 1 minus h by h. So that will be equal to limit h tends to 0, f of 1 that is 0, and f of 1 minus h that is also 0 by h that is equal to 0. And similarly r f dash 1, which is the right hand derivative of the function at x equal to 1, which is limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 by h. So that will be equal to limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h, f of 1 plus h, that will be equal to 0 minus 0 by h, which will be equal to so f of 1 is 0 and minus here actually l f dash 1, this is actually f of 1 minus h, that is 1 minus h minus 1. So this is minus h. So this is minus h. So this will be limit h tends to 0, h by h, which will be equal to 1. But r f dash 0, that will be equal to f of 1 plus h, that is 1 plus h whole cube minus 1. Okay. This will be 1 plus h whole cube minus 1 minus f of 1, which is 0. That will be equal to limit h tends to 0, 1 plus h cube plus 3h square plus 3h minus 1 by h. So this will be equal to limit h tends to 0, h square plus 3h plus 3. So if you put h equal to 0, that will be equal to 3. So therefore the right hand derivative is coming 3, but the left hand derivative is coming 1. Therefore it means that at x equal to 1, the function f of x is not differentiable. Function f of x is not differentiable. So it means that at x equal to 1, the function is continuous, but it is not differentiable. So at x equal to 1, it is continuous and non-differentiable. So option B is the correct answer. Then here, if it is told that if y equals to cos x square whole square, then dy by dx is how much? So dy by dx will be equal to, so it will be 2 cos x square into d by dx of cos x square. So this will be 2 cos x square into, this will be minus sine x square into d by dx of x square, which will be equal to 2x. So this will be equal to minus 4x minus 4x into sine x square into cos x square. So this we can write minus 2x into, so 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. So this will be minus 2x sine 2x square. So option C is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find d by dx of x power x plus x power a plus a power x plus a power a. So now we have to find first, so this will be equal to d by dx of x power x plus d by dx of x power a plus d by dx of a power x plus d by dx of a power a, where a is a constant. So this will be 0. So now for d by dx of x power x, so suppose if we take y equal to x power x, and then if you take log on both sides, then it will be log y, that is equal to log of x power x. So this will be x log x. So log y will be equal to x log x. Then if we take the derivative with respect to x on both sides, then we will get 1 by y into dy by dx. That will be equal to d by dx of x log x, which will be equal to log x plus uh, log x plus x by x, which is 1. So therefore dy by dx will be equal to 1 plus log x into 1 plus log x into y. Y is equal to x power x. Okay. So, and d by dx of x power a, that is a x power a minus 1. And d by dx of a power x is a power x log a. So therefore d by dx of x power x plus x power a plus a power x plus a power a, that will be equal to d by dx of x power x, which is 1 plus log x into x power x plus ax power a minus 1 plus a power x into log a. This will come. Okay. So therefore we can write this as, okay, x power x 1 plus log x, a x power a minus 1, a power x log a. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Then here it is told that if y equals to log base 10x plus log x base e, then dy by dx is how much? So this y can be, this log 10 base x can be written as log 10 base e into log x base e, plus I can write log x base e. So therefore dy by dx, that will be equal to, so therefore dy by dx, that will be equal to log 10 base e divided by x, since d by dx of log x is 1 by x, and plus 1 by x. This will come. So statement 1 is true. And statement 2 is told d by dx of log x base 10. This can be written as, this will be equal to, this will be obviously d by dx of log x by log 10. I can write log x by log 10. And then this will be equal to 1 by x log 10. Sorry, this will be equal to log, sorry, here this is wrong. This will be 10 log e base 10 here. This will be log e base 10. Okay. So here, yeah. So this will be the thing. So it means that statement 2 is wrong, obviously. Since d by dx of log x base e, that is equal to again 1 by x. So statement 2 is false, but statement 1 is true. So option A is the correct answer. Then here it is told if the parametric equation of a curve is given by x equal to cos theta plus log tan theta by 2 and y equal to sine theta, then the points for which dy by dx is equal to 0 are given by. So dy by dx, that is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Since x is a function of theta, y is a function of theta. So we have to do the parametric differentiation. We have to do the parametric differentiation. Okay. The parametric differentiation is we have to do. So dy by d theta, that will be equal to minus sine theta plus 1 by tan theta by 2 into d by d theta of tan theta by 2, which is secant square theta by 2 into 1 by 2 into secant square theta by 2 divided by, this will be dx by sorry, this is dx by d theta. This is dx by d theta. So this will be equal to dy by d theta, which is cos theta, divided by this, so which will be minus sin theta minus plus 1 by tan theta by 2 into secant square theta by 2 into 1 by 2. So this will be cos theta divided by minus sin theta plus 1 by 2 into, this will be 1 by cos square theta by 2. This will be sin by cos. So this is 1 by sin theta by 2 into, this will be cos theta by 2, which is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, which is again sin theta. So which is cos theta by 1 by sin theta minus sin theta. So this will be equal to sin theta cos theta divided by 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta, which is equal to cos square theta. So this is equal to tan theta. dy by dx is tan theta. So tan theta should be equal to 0. So tan theta is equal to 0. So theta should be equal to n pi, where n belongs to z. So option D is the correct answer. Then here it is told if y equal to x minus 1 whole square, x minus 2 whole cube into x minus 3 whole power 5, then dy by dx, that will be equal to, this will be equal to 2 into x minus 1 into x minus 2 whole power 3 into x minus 3 whole power 5. Plus this I can write x minus 1 whole square into, this will be 3x minus 2 whole square into x minus 3 whole power 5. Plus this will be x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 whole power 3 into 5x minus 3 whole power 4. Or we can do one thing here. This is y minus 3 whole power 5. So we can use the process of logarithmic differentiation. We can take log on both sides. So log y will be equal to 2 log, so this will be equal to 2 log x minus 1 plus 3 log x minus 2 plus 5 log x minus 3. So now if we take the derivative with respect to x on both sides, means d by dx. So d by dx of log y, that will be equal to 2 into d by dx of log x minus 1 plus 3 into d by dx of log x minus 2 plus 5 into d by dx of log x minus 3. So this will be equal to 1, this implies 1 by y into dy by dx. That will be equal to 2 by x minus 1 plus this will be equal to 3 by x minus 2 plus this will be equal to 5 by x minus 3. So the value of y at x equal to 4 we have to find. So at x equal to 4, the value of y will be equal to 4 minus 1 whole square into 4 minus 2 whole cube into 4 minus 3 whole power 5. So this will be equal to 3 powers 2, that is 9. 9 into 2 cube, that is 8 into 1, 9 is 72. And therefore 1 by 72 dy by dx, that will be equal to 2 by 4 minus 1 plus 3 by 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2 plus 5 by 4 minus 3. One by 72 into dy by dx, that will be equal to 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2 plus 5. So dy by dx, that will be equal to 2 by 3 into 72 plus 3 by 2 into 72 plus 5 into 72. So this will be, or first we can add them. Okay, so 3, 1, 3 to the 6, 3 4 is 12, 4 is 48 plus 2, 36, 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 12, 3 6 is 18, 108 plus 5 to the 10, 5 35, 360. So this will be equal to, this will be 2 is 16, then this plus 4, 10, 11, so 5 plus 4, okay, 5, this will be 5, 516. So option D is the correct answer. So if y, it is told if y equals to 1 plus x square into tan inverse x minus x, then dy by dx is how much? So dy by dx, that will be equal to 1 minus x square, 1 plus x square into d by dx of tan inverse x, that is 1 by 1 plus x square, then plus I have to do tan inverse x into 2x minus 1. So these two will cancel out. So then dy by dx, that will be equal to, so 2x into tan inverse x minus 1. So this will be, okay, sorry, 2x tan inverse x minus 1 and plus 1 also is there. So these two will cancel. So this will be equal to 2x tan inverse x. So option A is the correct answer. Then it is told here that if x equal to e power theta sine theta and y equals to e power theta cos theta, where theta is a parameter, then dy by dx at 1 comma 1 is how much? So when x will be equal to 1 and y will be equal to 1, then so here here we can see that dy by dx, that will be equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So that will be equal to d by d theta of e power theta cos theta divided by d by d theta of e power theta sin theta. So this will be equal to e power theta minus sin theta, then plus e power theta cos theta divided by, this will be e power theta cos theta then plus e power theta sine theta. So this will be equal to so therefore dy by dx that will be equal to e power theta I can take as common, then this will be equal to cos theta minus sine theta. Then this divided by e power theta into cos theta plus sine theta. So e power theta will cancel. Dy by dx that will be equal to 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. So now from here we can see that y by x that is equal to also x by y that is equal to tan theta here. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, then x by y should be equal to 1. So then tan theta will be equal to 1, and then dy by dx will be equal to 0. So option A is the correct answer. So then here it is told that if y equals to e power root over x into root over x, okay, and x is greater than 1, then d square y by dx square we have to find at x equal to log 3 base e, log 3 to the base e. Okay. So here if we take log on both sides, log base e, then we will get log y that is equal to root over x, root over x, root over x, and so on. So this we can also write root over x into again log y. So then if we take square on both sides, then we'll get log y whole square that is equal to x log y. So therefore we can write log y that will be equal to x, and then y will be equal to e power x. Y will be equal to e power x. So it means that now when x equal to log 3 base e, then e power x I can write it as e power log e base 3. So this will be equal to 3. So then dy by dx that will be equal to e power x, and d square y by dx square also will be equal to e power x. So that will be equal to 3. So option A is the correct answer. Then here it is told if f of 1 equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to 1 and f dash 1 that is equal to 3, then the derivative of, it means d by dx of f of x, then plus f of x whole square at x equal to 1 is how much? It's how much that we have to find. Okay. So now, therefore, this will be f dash f of x into f dash f of x, then into f dash x plus 2f of x into f dash x. That will be equal to, that we have to find. So this will be equal to, now at x equal to 1, this value will be equal to f dash of f of 1 into f dash of f of 1 into f dash 1 plus 2 into f of 1 into f dash 1. Now this will be f dash of f of 1 is 1, so this will be f of 1 into f dash of f of 1 is 1 and f dash 1 is 3 into 3. Then plus this will be 2 into f of 1 is 1 into f dash 1 is 3. So this will be f dash of f of 1, which is 1, f dash 1 into f dash 1, which is 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 3 are 6. So that will be f dash 1 is 3, so 3 and 3 into 3 into 3 plus 6. So this will be equal to 3 3 are 9, 3 9s are 27, 27 plus 6, which is equal to 33. So option C is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find dy by dx. dy by dx we have to find at x equal to pi by 2. That we have to find, where y is given as x power sine x plus sine x power x. So we can take, this is u, this is v. So let us take u equals to x power sine x and v equals to sine x whole power x. So we can take log on both sides here. So this will be log u, that will be equal to sine x into log x. And if you take log on both sides here, then it will be log v, that will be equal to x log sine x. So now if we take the derivative with respect to x on both sides, then we will get 1 by u dv by dx, that will be equal to sine x by x plus log x into cos x. And this will be equal to 1 by v dv by dx, that will be equal to log sine x, then plus x by sine x into cos x. So therefore du by dx, so if it is, so x y we are writing as u plus v, so it means dy by dx, that will be obviously equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So that we have to find at x equal to pi by 2. So du by dx is coming u into sine x by x plus cos x into log x, and dv by dx, that is equal to x cot x plus log sine x into v. Yep. So now the value of u and v we have to find also at x equal to pi by 2. So now the value of u, which is x power sine x, u is x power sine x, so u will be equal to pi by 2 power sine pi by 2, which will, sine pi by 2 is 1, so this will be equal to pi by 2 at x equal to pi by 2, and v is equal to sine x power x. So it implies that v will be equal to sine pi by 2 whole power pi by 2. So this is equal to 1, sine pi by 2 is 1 power pi by 2, which is equal to 1 at x equal to pi by 2. And so therefore dy by dx at x equal to pi by 2, that will be equal to u, which is pi by 2 into into sin x. So sin pi by 2 by pi by 2 sin x by x plus cos pi by 2 into log x. Log x means log pi by 2. Then plus this will be equal to dv by dx. So v is equal to 1 into x cot x. So pi by 2 into cot pi by 2. Then plus log sin pi by 2. So this will be equal to, so pi by 2 into this will be 2 by pi. Sin pi by 2 is 1 and cos pi by 2 is 0. So this will be 0. Then plus 1 into cot pi by 2 also will be 0 since cos pi by 2 by sin pi by 2. And log 1 that is also 0. So this will be equal to 0 only. So this will be equal to 1. The value is 1. So option B is the correct answer. Then here it is told that if e power y plus xy that is equal to e, then the ordered pair dy by dx comma d square y by dx square at x equal to 0 is how much? X equal to 0 is how much? That we have to find. So now, therefore, if we differentiate both sides with respect to x, then we will get e power y into dy by dx plus x dy by dx plus y that is equal to 0. So therefore, dy by dx that will be equal to minus y by e power y plus x. So now at x equal to 0, so now at x equal to 0, so it will be e power y that will be equal to e. So it means y will be also equal to 1. So therefore, dy by dx at x equal to 0 and y equal to 1 at 0, 1, that will be equal to minus 1 by e power 1 plus 0. Should be equal to minus 1 by e. Okay, so now similarly, we have to find d square y by dx square. So we can again differentiate this with respect to x. So this will be e power y d square y by dx square, then plus e power y into dy by dx whole square, then plus x dy by dx whole square plus dy by dx. Okay, then plus dy by dx that is equal to 0 again. So therefore, okay, this will be d square y by dx square. X into d square y by dx square and dy by dx plus dy by dx. Okay. So therefore, we can write that d square y by dx square into e power y plus 1, e power y plus x, e power y plus x, that is equal to minus 2 into dy by dx, minus 2 dy by dx, and then minus e power y into dy by dx whole square. So therefore, d square y by dx square that will be equal to minus dy by dx into 2 plus e power y dy by dx divided by e power y plus x. Now therefore, at x equal to 0 and y equal to 1, we have to find x equal to 0 and y equal to 1, d square y by dx square that will be equal to, this will be minus of minus 1 by e into this will be 2 plus e power 1 into dy by dx, dy by dx that is again minus 1 by e divided by e power 1 plus x that is equal to 0. So um, will be d square y by dx square. Okay. So this will be equal to 1 by e into 2 minus 1. E and e will get cancelled by e. So this will be 1 by e square. So therefore the ordered pair dy by dx comma d square y by dx square, that will be equal to minus 1 by e comma 1 by e square. Okay. So option D is the correct answer. Then here it is told that if the function f of x equals to 1 by x plus 2, then the point of discontinuity of the composite function f of x is, so f of y equal to f of x, that will be equal to f of x, which is 1 by x plus 2. So this will be f of x is 1 by x plus 2, so this will be 1 by x plus 2 plus 2. So this will be equal to 1 by 1 plus 2x plus 4, and this into x plus 2, that will go up. So this will be x plus 2 by 2x plus 5. So therefore 2x plus 5 at 2x plus 5 equal to 0, it will be the point of discontinuity. So it means that x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So at x equal to minus 5 by 2, it is the point of discontinuity of y. Point of discontinuity of y. So option C is the correct answer. Then here it is told that if u equals to sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square and v equals to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, then du by dv is how much? So now suppose if we take x equal to tan theta, then theta will be obviously tan inverse of x, and 2x by 1 plus x square, that will be equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So this will be obviously equal to sine 2 theta. So therefore sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, that can be written as sine in 2 theta, which is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Similarly, here it is written v is equal to tan inverse of this. So now 2x by 1 minus x square, that can be written as 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Since x is equal to tan theta, we have used. So then that will be equal to tan 2 theta. So therefore tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, that can be written as 2 theta, which is also equal to 2 tan inverse x. So therefore we can see that u and v are actually same. U is equal to v, which is equal to 2 tan inverse x. So therefore, du by dv that we have to find, du by dv, that is nothing but dv by dv. So simply that will be equal to 1. So option B is the correct answer. And here it is told the function f of x equals to cot x is discontinuous on every point on the set. So cot x is equal to cos x by sin x. So here sin x should not be equal to 0. So at every point when sin x equal to 0, for the function f of x is discontinuous. Discontinuous. So it means that x will be equal to n pi where n belongs to z. So at every value of x equal to n pi where n belongs to z, the function f of x will be discontinuous. Discontinuous. So option C is the correct answer. So hope all of you have understood the solutions of all these questions on this chapter. Still any doubts if you have, then please write that in the comments section. We shall obviously clarify them in the subsequent videos. And please install our Sapience education application also, where we shall upload some important questions based on the previous year KCET exam, which shall be helpful for your KCET exam. So thank you everyone. Bye.